In this tutorial, we are going to understand how to create the helix through the particular curve. Now, first of all, create one sketch or create one spline curve. Now, I have to create helix throughout this curve. So, go with the helix option. First of all, specify diameter 200 and specify number of turn 10, 20, 25, 22 is enough, I think, and OK. Now hide this sketch and this datum coordinate. Now I have to create one plane over here, so go with the home, datum plane, and select the specific method of curve and point option. Select this curve, perpendicular plane will be there. Okay, on this plane I have to create one new sketch, but for this specific point I need to identify one point. So intersecting point, select this curve so I can find out the intersecting point over here. Now create the circle on this particular point with specific diameter of 20 and enter. Path and profile is ready, so we can sweep this profile with particular sweep curve. Hide this datum. Now within the surface option you may find out this sweep option. Select this profile and path. Okay, our requirement is fully satisfied.